So here's what I learned after posting on YouTube every single day for the past 26 days. For context, I am Christina. I bring over 15 years of experience in talent acquisition. It's part of my second career. And I share that all things career, workforce, professional development. So if that's something that you are interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now and be sure to turn on notifications. And let me just say, I'm going to talk about the three things I've learned, but that third thing still kind of gets me. So the first thing I learned was that I was overthinking everything. First of all, I hope you can hear me with this mic I picked up, but like sometimes I wonder if it feels muffled. So here we go. I was overthinking everything, y'all. I initially thought, okay, I need the perfect lighting and I'm going to buy the perfect lighting and I'm going to set it up and then I'm going to start. Truthfully, I ordered some lights, this light kit or something, and it might be box lights, whatever it is. I ordered it. It arrived and it stayed in the box for almost a full month before I decided, you know what? I'm just going to return it because I'm not going to use it. Let's move on. The next thing was the camera. Everyone talks about the Canon something and the lens and the this and the that, and they have this lens and this lens costs hundreds of dollars. And I was like, yeah, guess who's not going to start the journey? Like, probably not going to be Christina. And then I realized I have a pretty decent camera in the palm of my hand. Every time I purchase an iPhone, every time I upgrade, even the Galaxy, those cameras are amazing. So right now I'm talking to you on my iPhone. No fancy camera. Does it get the job done? Absolutely. I was overthinking it. So the other thing I realized is that I was questioning my office space. So right now I'm not in my office. That's upstairs. But I was thinking about the home offices I designed. So I've had custom built in two of my homes. And I don't have a custom built in here. And I'm like, I don't love it. Like, I don't really want to put that on camera. So I'm not even in my office and this works fine. By the way, the light is behind me. So there are times when I would have overthought that. And I'm like, okay, I need to be sitting that way. And like, show up. I was good at overthinking. That is one lesson I learned by recording over the past 26 days. The second thing I learned after recording and posting and editing some days, every single day on YouTube for 26 days, this video makes 27. But what I learned is that I actually can talk longer than I thought. I'm going to say it, and there are people who know me who will watch this and be like, could have told you that. But the point is, I thought I was only really built for short form content. I could knock out a 1 minute video or a 59-second video, or even sometimes a minute and a half, 2 minutes, right? If you get me going. But I don't generally consider myself a talker. And so I stayed in the short form lane. And what I have realized is that when it's something I feel strongly about, specifically as it relates to career transitions, I could talk and talk and talk some more. I realized like none of my coaching sessions are 1 minute or 2 minutes. Like none of them are. Although I do more listening and strategizing in those, I could really talk, y'all. So I was putting myself in this box where if I just gave myself the freedom to just start talking, I mean, y'all may or may not get tired of me at some point, but I know that not only do I have passion around this topic, but also deep knowledge and expertise in it. So I could get on here and talk. Creating long form content for me really isn't the issue I thought it would be. So I guess along those lines, like, what is something that you feel strongly about? I'm not challenging you to start creating long form content. I'm just saying, start thinking about something that you feel strongly about that you could show up and present for more than 30 seconds about, this part was eye-opening. Again, for me, others might be like, Christina, you talk a lot more than you think. The third thing I learned, and this is the part that I think some of you need to hear, is that I still don't understand the YouTube algorithm. And I am okay with that. I am okay with operating in a space where I don't have everything figured out. I know what I'm talking about. I know that I can show up consistently now. I am focusing on what I can control. So no, I don't understand the algorithm. I don't understand all of the SEO stuff. And people are constantly popping in my emails now to tell me that there are opportunities for improvement, Christina. And I love that. But here we are, and I am showing up. 26 days ago, I wasn't sure I could do this. 26 days, I cannot believe I'm saying this, so let me say it again. 26 days ago, I wasn't sure I could do this, but here I am today. I'm showing up imperfect. I'm showing up uncertain about all of the details, but I have this realization that I can do hard things without all of the context. Consistency changes you before the outcome. Yeah. So I haven't set a specific goal. Like, monetization is amazing, would be great. But the fact that I'm showing up consistently has already changed me. It is the process, it is the journey that is what is changing me, not whatever comes at the end of this. And I don't even know that this will end at any point. I don't know. And I'm not, it goes back to point one. I'm not going to overthink it, right? 26 days ago, I wasn't sure I could do this. And I had all the reasons in my head why I could not. Today, I know that I can, and I can show up imperfect. And that realization alone has changed me. Y'all, it has changed me in ways that I truly can't describe. Truly can't describe. And so stop overthinking. Please stop overthinking. Two, don't put yourself in a box. You can do things that maybe you never thought you could, like talk for 10 minutes. Don't put yourself in a box. And three, you don't have to have all of the details and intricacies about the algorithm and the job market, by the way. Show up consistently. Take steps daily. I hope this resonates. If it did, again, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this with a friend. I hope you are having a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you soon.